Students' Learning Outcomes, Number Operation, Unit 2. Compare numbers from 1 to 20 to identify how much more one is from another. Recognize and use symbols of addition and equality. Add two one-digit numbers, sum up to 9. Add a two-digit number to a one-digit number. Add a two-digit number to tens. Add two-digit numbers. Compare numbers. How much more? Ali has 3 pencils. Sabah has 1 pencil. Who has more pencils and how many more pencils Ali has? Ali has 2 more pencils than Sabah. Ali has 3 pencils. Sabah has 1 pencil. Who has more pencils and how many more pencils Ali has? Ali has 2 more pencils than Sabah. 3 pencils plus 1 is equals to 4. They will have 4 pencils altogether. Always remember, addition is an action or process of adding something. We use the symbol of addition as a sign of addition of numbers. We use equals to show equality. 3 pencils plus 4 pencils is equals to, now put them together, 7 pencils altogether. There is a note for teachers. Use teaching aids to demonstrate the concept. Teaching aids can be pencils, it can be bottle caps, it can be some other objects which are student friendly. Addition of one-digit number. 3 ducks are swimming. 3 ducks are not swimming. How many ducks are there altogether? 3 ducks are swimming, 3 are not. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. There are 6 ducks altogether. Now coming to the next. There are 4 black cats. There are 3 white cats. How many cats altogether? 4 plus 3 equals to, now keep the bigger number in mind and start counting on. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 cats altogether. Now addition by counting on. There are 5 children at the playground. 2 more children join in after 20 minutes. How many children are there altogether? Again, keep the bigger number in mind. Start jumping. Yes, 2 more jumps from 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. There are 7 children altogether. Remember, adding on 0 means adding nothing. If you add nothing or 0 to 4, you will get 4. Now look at this page 68. How many biscuits are there altogether? There are 6 biscuits in the first basket and there are 2 biscuits in the next plate. 6 plus 2? Yes, keep the bigger number in mind. Start counting on. 6, 7, 8. Exactly, there are 8 biscuits altogether. And now I'm sure you can do the next 2 yourself. Now let's make addition stories. There are 3 children playing and 3 children are sleeping. How many children are there altogether? 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. So there are 6 children altogether. 5 butterflies are flying and 2 butterflies are sitting on a flower. How many butterflies altogether? Keep the bigger number in mind and start counting on. Exactly, there are 7 butterflies altogether. Page 70. Try to add the given stories. Noor has 2 balls. Her father gives her 3 more. How many balls are there with Noor now? Now first you draw the balls. Noor has how many balls? Draw here. Her father gave her 3 more balls. Draw 3 more balls here. And how many are there altogether? Yes. Keep the bigger number in mind. 3 is the bigger number and start counting on. 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 balls altogether. Now the next 2 sums you can try on your own. Addition of 2-digit numbers to a 1-digit number. There are 13 red fish and 2 orange fish in a pond. How many fish are there altogether? Let us find the sum of 13 and 2. Now, put 13 in the columns of 1 and 10. Yes, there are 3 ones and 1 10 in 13. Yes, where are you going to put 2? In the column of ones. Now start counting from ones. 3 plus 2, 5, and 1 plus 0, 1. So, altogether it is 15. Samia picked 15 strawberries while Wahab picked 4 strawberries. How many did they have in all? Let us find the sum of 15 and 4. 15 is equals to how many tens? 1 10. And how many ones? Yes, 5 ones. And 4 does it have any 10? No, it doesn't have any 10. So you just put here 0. And how many ones are there? 4 ones. Okay. Now write 5 and 4 in the column of ones, and in the column of tens you write 1 and 0. Now start counting. 5 is the bigger number. Keep it in mind. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, you write 9 here. 1 is the bigger number and 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. The sum of 15 plus 4 is equals to 19. Addition of 2-digit numbers to tens. Saira has 25 crayons and Sadia has 10 crayons. They both put their crayons together in the same box. How many crayons they have altogether? These are the digits with 2 numbers. 25. Now just look at 25. How many ones are there? 5 ones. And how many tens? 2 tens. And in 10, how many tens are there? 1 10. And how many ones are there? 0 ones. Step 1. You count all the ones together. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Then you count all the tens. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So there are 3 tens and 5 ones. If you put 3 tens and 5 ones together, they make 35. Exactly. This is how you are going to add these numbers with 2 digits. Add the following tens and ones. A, 1 10 and 0 ones plus 3 tens and 4 ones. Now just read them the other way. 10 plus 34. Okay. Are you going to begin with ones first or tens first? Yes, you are going to begin with ones first. So you have 0 ones and 4 ones. Now if you add 0 plus 4, what does it make? 4. Now what is the next step? You have to add both the tens. There is 1 10 and 3 tens. Now if you put these tens together, this makes 4 tens. So altogether there we have 4 tens and 4 ones. Now how do we read this? 44. Yes. Now you try the other sums yourself. Observe and fill in the boxes. Now there are boxes and they have objects in them. In the first box, how many eggplants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in the next, how many eggplants are there? In Urdu we call them bangan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 plus 9 is equals to what? Yes, what is the tip? Keep the bigger number in mind and start counting 7 on your fingers. Yes, now start counting after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, you have to count on 7. 9 plus 7 is equals to 16. I am sure you can do the next 3 sums on your own.